Hello everybody. In this video,
We are going to learn how we can edit our video in Capcut.
in this video we will explore
All tips, tricks and features of Capcut and learn.
how we can edit our video like a professional. So let's get started. We will learn how to do transitions.
Second, how to change scene in the videos. Third, how to add background music and sound in videos. Fourth, how to add keyframes in video. Fifth, how to add information stickers in videos for viewers. Sixth, how to add rolling text in videos. Seventh, how to change background of the videos like this free in Capcut.
We will learn all this editing tips and tricks
In my upcoming videos, so please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.